We'll see how to create the database view, and the view is a important interview question also. So watch the video fully, don't skip, okay? And I will upload how to create the database table, how to create data element under domain. So watch the videos and subscribe my channel, and thank you for my new subscribers. Now let's see how to create the database view. Now create the object for the database view. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is the views are there: database view, projection view, maintenance view, and a help view. There are four views are there in the database. Yeah, now I am create the database view. Okay, now give the star description for view, and now I am using the tables for the database view. Database view is nothing. This is the inner join view of one or more tables. Okay, now I'm use the table for VBAK and VBAP. This is a VBAP table, and I'm using the uh, VBAK table. Yeah, this is the sales document header. Everybody know VBAK and VBAP. Okay, now I'm using the table field for VBAK and VBAP. I'm using the field like VBELM. Okay, now the table name is VBAK. I'm use the field like VBLM. Okay, so VBLM. Next to the table name is VBAP. Yes, the same VBLM field is there for the table. Yeah, the same name I'm using for VBAP and VBELM. Okay, yes. Now go to the view fields. Yeah, this is the view field. Okay, now I'm selected the table fields. You can click the base tables VBAK. Choose MANDT, VBLN, ERDAT, ERZET, ERNAM. These fields I will choose. Copy it. And again you will click the table fields. Now you can click the VBAP, and I can click the POSNR, MATNR. Copy and save it. Local object. Now we can go the maintenance status. Display maintenance allowed. Okay, now save it and activate the table. Okay, now you can give the table join condition. You can give the MINDT field also. Okay, because you will give the same field for view fields, so you can give MINDT for VBAK, MINDT, VBAP, MINDT. Save it. Now go to check the maintenance status. Display maintenance allowed and restrictions. Now you can give display maintenance allowed. Save. and activate the view. Yeah, my view is activator. This is the database view. This is the way how to create the database view, and go to check the records, execute it. Yeah, the same fields, display fields we can get. Okay. Yeah, this is the way how to create the database view, and subscribe my channel, and I will upload how to create the help you help how to create the projection